Hello students and welcome to this new video. This new video is the part 2 video of session 1 of unit 2. Our unit 2 which we are currently studying is word processing intermediate, and this session 1 is about managing headers and footers in our word documents. In the previous part 1 video we have seen what are headers and footers and how we can add headers and footers into our word document. Okay. Now in this video the next topic which we are going to study is how we can edit as well as remove headers and footers from our Word document. Okay, first of all we will see how we can edit the header, and then we will see how we can remove the headers and footers. So now simple steps are to be followed for editing the headers in our document. First of all, you have to click on the insert tab, because insert tab is having the options for headers and footers. So click on the insert tab and then go to the header and footer group. Header and footer group is a separate group which is having different controls and options for inserting and editing headers and footers. So click on the insert tab and first of all go to the header and footer group, and then in the header and footer group you have to go to the header button. Click on the header button. Okay, then you can see here in this figure 2.1 what will happen in the header. As soon as you click on the header button, what will happen? A drop down list will open. Okay, like you can see in this figure 2.1 before also. Here you can see what is it. This is the header and footer button is given over here in the header and footer group. This header and footer button is there. You have to click on this, which is shown with the yellow color. You have to click on this header button. Then what will happen? This drop down list will appear. So previously in the previous video we had seen that for inserting a header we had chosen from one of these available header types. We had chosen from one of these built-in headers, and that whatever header we'll choose, that header was added into our document. But now what we're going to do, we want to edit the header and we want to remove the header. For that we have these two options which are given at the bottom of this drop down list. Okay, at the bottom of the drop down list you can see that after clicking on header you will see this, that you will get this drop down list, and at the bottom of the list you can see this option for editing and removing header. So for editing the header you have to click on the edit header option. All of you can see this is the edit header option here which you have to use over here. You have to click on this edit header option for editing the headers. Okay, now let us see the remaining options. So as soon as you click on the edit header option as shown in the figure, MS Word will display editable header for you as shown in this figure 2.4. So in this figure 2.4 you can see that this header and footer is now in the editable mode. Editable mode means what? That whatever header we had previously inserted, you can now edit the header in this editable mode. Okay, now what is this? This IMO project is the old title of your header. Now what we are going to do, we are going to change the title here. Okay, we are going to change this title of the header and we are going to type new text to edit the header text. We are now going to edit the header text which we had previously typed while adding the header. What we had typed? We had typed IMO project here. So now we are going to edit this IMO project and we are going to type some new text. Okay, what you will do, simply click on either the header text and edit the text. Okay, you have to click on the header text for editing. What you will do for editing the header text, simply you have to click on that. So click on the header text and edit the text. Okay, and once you have finished editing the header text, what you will do, you will click on the close header and footer button. See, this is the close header and footer button is given over here. It is shown with a red cross. Okay, this red button is shown with a cross here. This is for closing the header and footer. Okay, so what will happen after you have completed the editing portion, editing task, then we will click on the close header and footer button to come out from the edit mode. So as soon as we click on this button, then what will happen? We will come out from the editing mode. Okay, similarly for editing the footer also we will follow the same steps. Okay, follow the previous 4 steps which I have followed here for header. The same 4 steps will be followed for footer also, and you have to follow these 4 steps with the insert tab and the footer button. Here what will go, he will go to the insert tab and then we have to go to the footer button and then follow these steps. Okay, like previously what we had done in the insert tab, we are clicking on the header button for editing the header. Similarly for editing the footer, what you have to do, you have to click on the insert tab and then go to the footer option. Okay, like you can see here what is there, the footer option is also given over here. Okay, although it is not shown in this figure, but when you will see it on the computer system, you can easily see that in the insert tab what is there, like header option is given over here. Simply besides that a footer option is also available over there. Okay, so header and footer button is there, so you have to click on the header, you have to click on the footer button for editing the footer. For header we have to click on the header button. For editing the footer you have to click on the footer button. Okay, in the insert tab. Then what you will do, then you have to again follow the same 4 steps for editing the footer into your footer from your document, okay, into your document. Now this editing is clear to all of you, I suppose. Now we'll start with how we can remove the header and footer from our Word document. For this, again some simple steps you have to follow. The first step is step 1, you have to click the insert tab and go to the header button. This is the same step which I had done previously also, okay. In the previous editing also, when we studied the steps for editing the header, then also we had followed the same step, okay. We had chosen the first step, the same step we had followed for editing the header also, and here also we are going to have the same step as the first step, okay. You have to first of all click the insert tab and go to the header button in the header and footer group. Then in the second step, we have to click on the remove header option as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure, what is there? Okay, again we can go back to the figure 2.1 over here. See what is it? You can see here this remove, just below the edit header button is given the option of remove header. This remove header is given just below the edit header button. This is the option for removing the header from our document. So like in the previous topic, we had clicked on the edit header button for removing the for editing the header. Similarly, here we will click the remove header button for removing the header, okay. So for here what you will do, you have to click on the remove header option as shown in the figure. Now what you will see, you will notice that the existing header or footer is removed from the current document. Whatever document we are working on, whatever document we want to remove the header, the existing header or footer will be removed from the current document in this way. Similarly, if you want to remove the footer, you will follow the previous 4 steps by using the insert tab and the footer buttons. Only difference is that the same 2 steps are being followed for removing the footer also. Only the difference is that in previously we had gone to the insert tab and the header button. Here what we will do, we have to go to the insert tab and then the footer button. For removing the header, we have to go to insert tab and then header button, and for removing the footer, we have to follow the same previous 4 steps have to be followed. The only difference is that here we have to go to the insert tab, then the footer button, and then the same 2 steps we have to follow as we had done in the case of removing the header. Same 2 steps are followed here also. Only difference is that here we have to start by going to the insert tab and the footer button, then we will go to the option of remove footer, okay. Similarly, like we had chosen the option of remove header here, similarly for removing the footer, we will choose the option for remove footer, and then the existing footer will be removed from the document. So in this way we have seen how we can edit and as well as remove the headers and footers from our document. So we will end the video here only. In the next video we will see how we can add different fields in the headers and footers, okay. I hope you have understood the video. Thank you class. Goodbye.